morning, Mataji.
Good morning. Good morning. Yes.
Mataji.
Good morning, Mataji.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, Mataji.
Morning. Yes. Had your breakfast?
Yes,
Yes,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Yes. Okay. So, yes, only 19 members joined. Why? Didn't get the information?
Good morning. Good morning, Mataji.
Good morning. Yes. Yes. Have you learnt? Have you done a homework yesterday's?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So today,
Yes,
children,
Mataji.
we are all okay. First, I'll tell you one thing. Everybody, please switch off your mic. Otherwise, voice will break, alva? Yes? Okay. So today we are going to learn new lesson. What is that? New lesson. That is North America. Where it will come, North America, children? In which, yes, now please tell me the answer where it will come. Yes, this is the globe. Yes or not? So in this globe, North America, it is exactly lies in the northern hemisphere. What is that? Northern hemisphere. Yes or not? Above the equator. Here is the equatorial line, and above the equator, we will see the North America. Yes or not? Yes. So today we are going to learn about the North America lesson. Okay. This North America, it is the third largest continent. First one is Asia and the second one is Africa. And the North America, it is a third largest continent. Sixth standard, you have learned about the Asia, Africa and Europe, isn't it? So this year you are going to learn North America, South America in the first semester, and the second semester Australia and Antarctica. So totally all 7 continents you will learn. Okay. So here first we will take that North America. What is that? North America. This North America, I'll show you. Wait, children. Okay. Yes. Can you observe here, children? Can you observe?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes,
Mataji.
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Okay. So this is North America physical map. What is that? Physical map. Here, children, you will get it in the western part of the North America. Andre, it is bounded by the oceans. What is that? It is bounded. 3 sides it is bounded by the oceans, and in the southern part it is having narrow land. It is connecting to the South America. What is that? South America. Okay. And North America, here you can see, children. 1 minute. Here you can't see properly. Okay. So this is your political map. What is that? Political map. It is also bounded. Yes or not? Here, what is that? Pacific and the Atlantic, and in the north it is Arctic Ocean. Okay. So here, North America, it is connecting Asia, but in between there is a Bering Sea or the Bering Strait. But so who is chatting there? Why you are chatting, children? Don't chat. And I can see here, okay? Yes? Is it visible? Is it visible, children?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
North America, it is bounded, three sides of water, and one side it is connecting South America. Here it is called narrow pathland. Andre, it is called isthmus. What is that? Isthmus. And here it is Arctic Ocean, and Arctic Circle passes. Okay, Arctic Circle, 66.5 degree Arctic Circle passes here. Then Asia and North America, in between there is a Bering Sea or Bering Strait. Okay, so that we can see that. And here in the western part Pacific Ocean, and in the eastern part of the America, what we can see, Atlantic Ocean. Yes, will you get it? Yes. And in this America, it is a third largest continent. I already said that. And another thing is, during the time of 1501, when it is during the time of 1501, Amerigo Vespucci, he was an Italian, means Europe. Okay. He did the time of, and during zero. So, according to his name, the land, founded the land, isn't it? Recently, it was founded. So, what is that? Amerigo Vespucci. So, on his name only, they have kept for the America. So, they have called America. But here, we can see that all the native Europeans people, because it is inhabited, Europeans are inhabited in the North America. Why? Because they are getting the minerals. They are connecting to the because here British people, they were exploited the Americans, Native Americans. Okay, so Native Americans means so many urban people. So many tribal people. They were living in this zone. Okay, so because of the Mexican gold, there is a Mexico country. So in that Mexico country, they get more gold and so many minerals. Okay, especially nearby the Colorado Plateau, there is a Colorado Plateau. So there they will get it. Iron ore and zinc, lead, coal, like that minerals. Okay, and Mexico they'll get the more gold. Because of this, British people, they were exploiting to the Americans and they were settled, so that it is called inhabited people. Okay, Europeans are inhabitedly, they were settled in the America. Okay, so these America, according to the transportation, because it is very well known country, well developed country, yes or not? It is called well developed country. Why it is well developed country? Why? Because it is developed in the transportation, trade and business, technologies, different types of the technologies are there. Then other thing is educational centers, resources, isn't it or not? And even agriculturally also it is too rich because it is called white, what is that, wheat basket. What is that? Wheat basket of the world. Why? Because America, it is the most highest producer of the wheats, and it is exporting to all other countries. Okay, and another thing is they are getting the highest gold. Okay, so that gold also it is exporting to all other countries. Understood? So because of the minerals, resources, educational, transport facilities, and technologies, different types of the new technologies, they were introduced, isn't it or not? So because of this, America always it is famous, and even in our United Nations organization, it is called UNO. So America, it is called Big Brother. ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? ದೊಡ್ಡಣ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಅಮೆರಿಕಕ್ಕೆ. Why? Because America is the richest country. So that China people, they wanted to become a big brother, but they won't. Isn't it or not? They are fighting, always they are fighting with the India or else America. Isn't it or not? Because America, it is called big brother. Okay, all the authority, power, everything, America, it is having in the UNO, United Nations Organization. Okay, and another thing is this America, it is the third largest continent, but 7 times bigger than India. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 7 ಪಟ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಕ್ಕಿಂತ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then here some richest countries is there in the America. What is that? Richest country. It is called what is that? Yes, I'll show you here on the wait. Yeah. So this is called yeah, political map, isn't it? Totally 24 countries are there in the North America. First one is, it is called, what is that? United States. What is that? United States. And another thing is there is a Canada. Here it is Canada. Here it is United States. Here it is a Mexico, and here it is a West Indies. Okay, so these 4 countries, one is West Indies, Mexico, then United States of America and Canada. These are the 4 richest country America is having, children. Understood? And what is the latitude and the longitudinal extent? I already said that in the globe, if you are seeing North America, it is in the western part, isn't it? So north part of the latitude, it is 17 degree north to 71 degree north latitude, and 50 degree west to 150 degree west of the longitude. Longitude means it is the vertical line, isn't it? And the latitude means it is a parallel to the equator, isn't it? So that is called extent of the America. How much it is? 17 degree to 71 degree north latitude, 50 degree to 150 degree west longitude, longitudinal length it is having, children. Understood? Then one more, children. Yes, I'll show you your physical map of America. What is that? Physical map of America. Okay. This is called physical map of America. What is the settings? How it is bounded by the oceans or the lakes or the rivers? Okay, I already said that in the Arctic Circle there is an Arctic Ocean, and in the western part it is a Pacific Ocean, and in the eastern part it is a North Atlantic. It is called North Atlantic. Okay, so North Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so another thing is, in the southern part we will have the isthmus. It is connecting from Alaska region to Alaska region or the Rocky Mountain, where you will see at the northern part. Okay, so there Alaska region to Panama Canal, near the Panama. Okay, so it is stretched. And another thing is, we can see somewhere river bodies or the water bodies. River bodies are Missouri, Mississippi, Nelson, St. Lawrence, like that rivers. And you can see that Hudson Bay is here, children. What is that? Hudson Bay, and the Nelson is here. Labrador Sea is here. And river Missouri and the Mississippi is here. Okay. Then yes, so properly I think you cannot see there. Okay, so here at the southern part, yes, at the southern part you will have the Caribbean Sea, and here it is a Labrador Sea, Then here it is the Bering Sea and the Arctic Ocean. Here it is the Hudson Bay and River Missouri, Mississippi and the Nelson and the Canadian Shield. So many rivers are there in the and Gulf of Mexico. So these are all is having small water bodies in the American part. Understood what I'm telling? Yes? Yes, do you get it?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, okay. So, another thing is we will see the, yes, water bodies we have seen, isn't it? So, now this is the boundaries or the physical settings of the North America. Southern side, there is a isthmus. What is the meaning of isthmus? 6th standard you have learned, Talba, Africa lesson ali. What is the meaning of isthmus?
A long narrow street joining two large land masses.
Very good. A long strip of the land is joining to the another land. Here, North America, it is having the narrow path, isn't it? In the southern part of the North America, we will have the isthmus and the Panama, children. Understood? It is connecting to the South America. It is called isthmus. Okay. So the same thing, Asia, it is connecting to the Bering Strait, and here it is a largest land country that is America is having called Greenland. What is that? Greenland of the this Greenland, it is a large island. Okay. Yes. And another thing is Tropic of Canceres passes 23.5 degree. Tropic of Canceres passes in the southern part of the North America, and Arctic Circle 66.5 degree Arctic Circle passes in the north part of the North America. Okay, so that two latitudes passes in this North America. I already said that it is entirely lies in the northern hemisphere. Okay, because above the equator it is there, children. Understood what I'm telling? Then another thing is, what else are you can see? There is a so many physical features. Now we will see the physical features. What type of the physical features we can see? That the Western Cordilleras or Appalachian Mountains. What is that? Western Cordilleras. Then Rocky Mountain. What is that? Rocky Mountain. Can you see the picture here?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, this is called, children, here. One is the first one, it is a central lowland, and the second one, what you are seeing, it is called Appalachian Hills. It is covered with full of snows. Okay. Then, yes, this is called the geyser. What is that? World famous geyser. Can you see here?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Okay. So, the Kennedy. Huh? What is that? Somebody told something? Okay, I will show you. Okay. In the Western Cordilleras, this is the first one physical features of the North America. Second one is the central lowland, and the third one is Appalachian or what do you call that? Eastern highlands, and the fourth one is coastal plains. Okay, so these four are the physical divisions of the North America. In that Western Cordilleras, what is that? Western Cordilleras, or it is called Rocky Mountain. What is that? Rocky Mountain. Here there is a some Canadian Shield. Okay, that Canadian Shield, we can see the Grand Canyon. This is called world largest geyser. Geyser anta ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸಿ ನೀರಿನ ಬುಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. like a fountain, it is coming up. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸಿ ನೀರಿನ ಬುಗ್ಗೆ ಏಳತ್ತಂತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಫೇತ್ಫುಲ್ ಗೀಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಫೇತ್ಫುಲ್ ಗೀಸರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಿಯರ್ ದ ಕೆನಡಿಯನ್ ಶೀಲ್ಡ್. This Canadian shield, it is in the Appalachian mountain. Okay, children. And another thing is this Grand Canyon, it has created, means here the Colorado Plateau is there. That Colorado Plateau, it cuts the Colorado River. It cuts the Colorado Plateau and created the Grand Canyon. Okay. So these Grand Canyon, it is 1800 meters length, means height. What do you call that? Deep ಅಂತ ಕರೆದ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗಿನ ಆಳದಿಂದ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1800 meters and 3 to 29 kilometer width. So that much, so that it is called Grand Canyon or Old Faithful Geyser. Okay, children. Can you see? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಇದು ಗೀಸರ್, ಇದು ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಸಿ ನೀರಿನ ಬುಗ್ಗೆ.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes. River, Colorado River, it cuts the Colorado Plateau. Okay. So it has created the Grand Canyon or the geyser. Okay. Okay. Yes. This is also. Yes, now can you see here? ಇದು ದೂರದಿಂದ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುವಂತ Grand Canyon or geyser. What is that? Geyser. Yes. Then children, another thing is, during the time of monsoon, there will be a what do you call that? Hurricane. What is that? Hurricane. ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ ಹೆಸರು hurricane? Tornado. Yeah. Yes. So tornado and hurricane, that we can see that, children. Okay. Yes. This is. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. What is that? This image, it is hurricane. What is that? Hurricane. Okay. And another image, it is yaudadu? Which one is? Tornado and hurricane. So during the time of, ಅಂದ್ರೆ climatical changes ಆದಾಗ ಈ ಸುಂಟ್ರ ಗಾಳಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನ್ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳತ್ತಂತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾನ್ಸೂನ್ ಸೀಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ another thing is, children, Western Cordilleras, I already said that it is called what is that? Rocky Mountain Ranges. What is that? Rocky Mountain Ranges. This is from Mount McKinley to Death Valley. Mount McKinley, it is the highest peak, children. Yes, can you observe? Okay, so this is Mount McKinley mountain. It is the highest mountain peak in the North America, and the kilometer wise, it is called 6,194. How much it is? 6,194 meters height above the sea level. Then here the Death Valley, it is the deepest point of the North America. What is that? Death Valley anta karitare idana. Okay, so where it is there? Rocky Mountain Ranges, or it is called the Western Cordilleras. Okay, so that is the first physical division of the North America. And the second one is the Central Plains. Here you can see the Canadian Shield is here, and your Great Canyon is here, Mississippi and the Missouri River, St. Lawrence and Mackenzie Lakes. There is so many saltwater lake and the freshwater lake also we can see in this central lowland. And this central lowland, it is good for the cultivation. Why? Because so many rivers, it made the fertile soil at the part of the Central America. And here, vast acres of the land is covered with the prairies. So now prairie is a little bit less. Why? Because human interference. Almost all the Europeans, they were settled everywhere in this central plains and the eastern coastal plain. Okay. So here what happened? Because of the irrigational facility, so many people, they were surrounded here. And another thing is, in the Rocky Mountain side and the Colorado Plateau, where it is Colorado Plateau, I said no, Colombia and the Colorado Plateau, they will get it so many types of the minerals. One thing, Mexican gold, Mexican country and there. So this is the Mexican plateau. Okay, so there they are getting the Mexican gold, and plateau, Colombia Plateau and the Colorado Plateau also, they'll get it coal, iron ore, and zinc and lead. Please switch off your mic. Okay, so zinc, iron, and lead, they are getting the minerals. Okay, so because of this, almost all the European, they are inhabited to this Mississippi, Missouri River zone. Okay, and the St. Lawrence. Okay, so another thing is, children, Mackenzie. What is that? Mackenzie anta karitare adana. Yen karitare? Mackenzie. So these Mackenzie River, I will show you it. So in your textbook only they have given so many rivers they have given, isn't it? And the St. Lawrence River, Mississippi, Missouri, and almost all the Gulf of Mexico, Hudson Bay. These are all they have given in this map of your textbook. Okay, so please study that all the what it is there in the river. Okay, so because of these river in the central plain, what happened here? So many people, they were occupied, or means they were settled here, and it is called wheat basket of the world. Why? Because nearby the central lowland there is a prairies. I said yes or not? Prairies, it is a one of the grassland. You know very well there is a 6 grassland. What is that? 6 grassland. Do you know that how? Which are the 6 grasslands? Downs in Australia, Pampas in South America, prairies in North America, steppes in Russia, and savanna, it is in Africa. Yes or not? So these 6 are the grassland, largest grasslands in the world. In that prairies, we can see in the central lowland of America. Okay, so here they are growing the agriculture nearest to the prairies. So they are highest producer of wheat. Means wheat ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೆಳೀತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ export ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, they are exporting to all other countries. Then another thing is here nearby the West Indies, Cuba. This Cuba, it is a country. They are the highest producer of the sugar. What is that? Sugar. What is that? Cuba. What we can see here? Cuba. So these Cuba, it is the highest producer of, what is that? Sugar. Okay. Then Mexico. Mexican country, they are producing the gold and the iron. And Mexico and Jamaica and so many countries are there. That countries, even Cuba, okay, they are producing the tobacco, cotton, and sugarcane, and wheat. Okay, so they are producing and exporting to all other countries also. And first one is, what is that? Western Cordillera. Second one is the Central Plain, and the third one is Appalachian Hills. In between, after the Mississippi, Missouri rivers, what we can see? Appalachian Hills or Eastern Mountains. Here Pedymounts are there. Andre ಯಂಗ್ ಫೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್, ಹೇಗೆ ಹಿಮಾಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪಾಲಾಚಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ that Appalachian hills also, it is covered with the snows. Okay, so in this Appalachian hills we cannot see the human settlements. Okay, and some plateaus, Colorado Plateau, Yucatan Plateau, Mexican Plateau, and Columbia Plateau. These are all comes to here, children. So these are the plateau. It has created so many waterfalls and so many rivers and the lakes. Okay. So in that, children, prairies, I already said that, yes or not? So then another thing is Appalachian Hills. It is a fold mountain types of the land. What is that? Fold mountain, where we can see in this zone. Okay, so this is Appalachian Hills or the eastern mountains anta karitare. Here Saint Lawrence, what is that? Saint Lawrence and the Lake Superior, especially Lake Superior is here, children. Can you say it? Is it visible? Yes, okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
Lake Superior, it is the fresh water, fresh lake. What do you call this? Fresh water lake. What is that? Fresh water lake. It is the largest lake in the world. This is the fresh water lake and the largest freshwater lake in the world. What is that? Lake Superior. And another one is Saint Lawrence River is here, okay, near the Canadian Shield. And they are getting here a coal, zinc, lead. E Canadian Shield ali, they are getting the minerals. What are the minerals, children? It is iron ore and lead, zinc, okay, and coal. So these are the means minerals they are getting through the Saint Lawrence and the Canadian Shield. Okay, so these Canadian Shield, the river Colorado, it cuts the Colorado Plateau. Ille Colorado Plateau baratte. So this makes the Grand Canyon. Understood what I'm telling? So next one is coastal. I already said that. What is that? Gulf of Mexico. Here Hudson Bay is there. Here Labrador Sea is there. Okay, so where there, and Cuba, West Indies, these are all the countries, especially Cuba and West Indies countries. It is the island countries. Okay, then another thing is so many Gulf countries. Then what you can see here, this is called Eastern Coastal Plains. What is that? Eastern Coastal Plains. Okay, so there human settlements, we can see that they are connecting to the trade business with all the countries through the Panama Canal. Okay, allinda ship hogbodu. There is a two canal, largest canal. It is in the oceans. One, it is near the Mediterranean Sea, that is called Suez Canal, and another one is it is Panama Canal. It is in between the North and the South America. Okay, so there they are having the trading business. It is connecting to the other countries. Okay, and apart from that, what else are there? Okay, this is the eastern part of the coastal plains. And another thing is Greenland. This is the largest island countries that is America is having. But in this Greenland, we can see the human settlement only this part, children. Only southern part of the Greenland we can see the human settlements, and all other part we can see the snows. It is covered with snows, children. So here rarely and the human beings settled tumba kadme ide Greenland ali. That is also Europeans, they were settled. Understood? Yes. Anything else, children? Yes. Do you understood?
No, Mataji.
Okay,
Yes,
so this
Mataji.
is the
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
features. Do you understood? What are
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
what are the features we have seen now? Tell me.
The Western Cordilleras.
The Western Cordilleras or Rocky Mountain. Then secondly,
The Great Central Plains.
the Vasavi,
Jesus.
what are the physical features? What are the physical features we have seen? We have learned. Vibha,
Yes, Mataji.
which are the physical features is in the North America? Quickly, Preetika. Yeah, Preetika. Pratyusha.
Yes, Mataji.
Tell me.
First
Feature.
one, the Western Cordilleras.
Second one.
The Great Central Plains.
Third one.
The Eastern Highlands, the Appalachians.
Mountain. Okay. Then the fourth one is Eastern
The
Coastal
coastal-
Plain.
Hmm.
Yes. Okay. Srijan.
And Great Lakes ಬರುದಿಲ್ಲ.
Yeah, Great Lakes, it is a water bodies. When you are learning rivers, so that rivers part it is there. St. Lawrence, River Missouri, Mississippi. These are all comes under the Central Plains. Okay. And the Appalachian Mountains. So these are all the rivers and the lakes are there. So which is called fresh lake water in the world? Rishabh? Srijan?
Superior Lake.
Rishabh, tell me the answer. Lake Superior. Yes, very good. Lake Superior. Bharat, who is the founder of North America? Bharat. Bharat, tell me how.
Amerigo Vespucci.
Yes, Bharat, tell me. Bharat. Who is the founder?
ಮಾತಾಜಿ
ಯಾರು ಭರತ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಂಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Yes, Bharat is not here. Sumay, tell me the answer. Who is the founder of North America? Sumay, quickly.
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ನಾವು
Huh? Who's that?
Amerigo Vespucci.
Amerigo Vespucci. Very good. Then Prajna, what is the latitude and the longitudinal length of America? Prajna. Latitudinal and the longitudinal length of the America. Extent I am asking. Prajna.
Yes, Mataji.
Answer.
90-degree north to 71-degree north latitude and 50-degree west to 150-degree west longitude.
Degree north to 71-degree north latitude, 50-degree west to 150-degree west longitude. Okay. So compared to India, how much it is? 7 times bigger. Alva? And it is the third largest continent. Okay. Then which are the latitude passes here? Brahmarambika, tell me the answer. Chintanar. Which are the latitude? Two latitude passes here. So what are the two latitudes? Chintan. Minaz. Which are the two latitude passes here, Minaz? Sandesh. Sandesh ಹೇಳು.
ವಚನ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸುಶಾಂತ್ ಹೇಳು.
ಟ್ರಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್.
Tropic of Cancer.
ಆರ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್.
Arctic Circle. Very good. So two latitudes passes here. So which is connecting between South America and North America? Pranav, tell me the answer. Vasavi, neen answer helina. Karthik, say the answer. Which is connecting Panama Canal or Isthmus? What is that? Isthmus. You should say that isthmus. Okay? Okay. So Asia and America, what it is connecting? Asia and America, what it is dividing ಹೇಳಿ. Connecting ಬೇಡ, dividing ಹೇಳಿ.
ಬೆರಿಂಗ್
Yes.
ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್.
Bering Strait. There is a Bering Sea, so that Bering Strait, Bering Strait, it is connecting. Okay. So then which are the rivers? It is in the central lowland and the Appalachian mountain. Which are the rivers and the lakes are there? It is highly produced wheat all over
ಮಿಸಿಸಿಪಿ ಲೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ರಿವರ್.
St. Lawrence.
ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಲೇಕ್.
So I think
Superior.
everybody, which is the highest and which is the deepest point of North America? Yes, children. Highest and deepest.
ಡೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ. ಡೆಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿ.
Rishabh, tell me the answer. Rishabh, tell me the answer. No answer.
ಮಾತಾಜಿ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
can I say?
Vasundhara ಹೇಳು.
Mount Kinley is the highest point.
Mount Kinley is the highest. Deepest?
Death Valley.
Death Valley. Very good. Okay. So anything, anybody? Do you have any doubt regarding this lesson, children?
No, Mataji.
Okay.
No,
Which is what?
Mataji.
Climatical
No, Mataji.
conditions in America. Okay. And vegetations. Which are the vegetation is growing and what type of the climatical condition America is having, that we can see tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
Okay, children.
Okay, Mataji. Bye. Okay, Mataji.
Bye. Bye, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji. Bye. Okay, Mataji.
1 minute. 1 minute. Listen the homework. You have to draw the North America political map. Okay, major country. Fair.
Mataji.
You have to go in major countries in the North America map. And
ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಬೇಡ ಮಾತಾಜಿ, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಯಾವ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ.
ಬೇಡ, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಡ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟು.
1 minute listen. Physical of America only 4 you can show. One is Rocky Mountain or the Cordilleras, and another thing is Appalachian Hills. Then what else? The Eastern Coastal Plain. Then Central Lowland. Okay, so these 4 you have to show. River Missouri, Mississippi. ಇದು ಎರಡು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ Lake Superior. I will send it to group. Okay.
Mataji, you will send the photo.
Yes. Photo ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಬಿಡಿಸೋದ್ ಬೇಡ ಆದ್ರೆ. ಹಾ
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಡ್ಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಗು ಆದ್ರೆ ಔಟ್ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಡ್ಸ್ ಚೌಕ್ ಚೌಕ ಉಂಟು, ಹ್ಯಾಂಗು ಈಸಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ರಾಯ್ತು.
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಇದು
page number 117, you will have these children. See, easiest method they have given here. Okay, but don't do all those things. Only 4 and 2 rivers. That's all. Is it clear?
what as
If you cannot, color ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ರಾಕಿ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಯಾವ ದೇಶಗಳು?
ದೇಶ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ
ಯಾವ
ಮಚ್ಚಿದಷ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ಸು.
ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ.
ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, so I think you might have completed up to the constitution lesson. So in this North America you have to draw first outline map, then what I am sending, that much you have to locate it. Okay, but page number 117 you have to refer. Okay children?
ಓಕೆ ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
Thank you.
ಅಥವಾ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಯಾರೋ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಮೂರನೇ ಲೆಸನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಪಾಠದ ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Lesson 3. Okay, so
ಓಕೆ ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಬಾಯ್.
bye bye.
ಮಾತಾಜಿ ಬಾಯ್.
ಬಾಯ್ ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
ಬಾಯ್.